Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain about our mini project for computer modeling and analysis subject. I from BMMMs1/1 and my team is Muhammad Ifram Mukri bin Ismail, Muhammad Nur Akmal Afiq bin Awang Ahmad, Muhammad Fazrin Rizki bin Ahmad Rozi, and me, Muhammad Al-Hadi Nasrullah bin Mustafa Kamal. This is our profile for this company. Company name Manufacture.Digital Tech. Mission for this company to empower innovator with engine design and make technology so they can achieve the new possible. Vision for our company to be the best solution of all problems in the manufacture and formation of engines. So the project title is two-cylinder engine. Objective of this project to produce a two-cylinder engine construction according to the part by using manufacturing software such as SolidWorks and ensure the project produced accurately. The problem statement that we face need to study the failure of piston to prevent any harm injury to human. Failure of piston engine may cause damage to automobile as well as an accident. For this project, scope of project focus, technical drawing part, 3D modeling, assemble part, and material selection and analysis. This is our organization chart. First, project manager, which is Muhammad Nur Akmal, and second, design engineer, which is Muhammad Ifan Mukri, and me, production department, Muhammad Al-Hadi Nasrullah, and lastly, analysis engineer, which is Muhammad Fazrin Rizki. For team member job scope, Akmal will plan and designate project resources, monitor progress, and keep stakeholder informed the entire way. Irfan responsible for the research and design, technical design, and software design of a company's new products. And me, Al-Hadi, measure each part to be sketched and determine the material to be applied to all parts. And lastly, Rizki, responsible for modeling data to provide clean and accurate data sets, also to make a final checking and analyze the product. So the product of this project is two-piston cylinder. A piston is cylindrical piece of metal that moves up and down inside the cylinder, which exert a force on a fluid inside the cylinder. Pistons have rings which serve to keep the oil out of the combustion chamber and the fuel and air out of the oil. Most piston fit in a cylinder have piston rings. What function two-piston cylinder? A type of internal combustion engine that completes a power cycle with two-stroke up and down movement of the piston during one power cycle. This power cycle being complete in one revolution of the crankshaft. This is our project flow. First, start analysis project election. Second, project sketch by part. And next, we do 3D modeling. And then part assemble. And lastly, analysis part and component. Drawing part. Drawing part is the first step to draw the design of each part by placing dimensions that have been measured previously. Drawing part also needs to be done first because the measurement applied will determine the suitability when assembling the part and also the analysis part. So this is our part, which is engine block, piston, pin, connecting rod, push rod, crankshaft, rocker arm, valve, crank sprocket, camshaft with sprocket, arbor, and bearing. Next, assembly part. What does assembly do in SolidWorks? Assembly do in SolidWorks to build complex assemblies consisting of many components, which can be parts or other assemblies called sub-assemblies. For most operation, the behavior of components is the same for both types. Adding a component to an assembly creates a link between the assembly and the component. This is the video so we can see the piston move up and down. This is exploded view. We explode by each part one by one. So this is a simple video. We explode each part one by one. This is product isometric view. Why is isometric design important? Isometric map design are more realistic than flat ones. They give user a better visualization because of the angular axis. Because it looks 3D, and isometric map is better if you want to emphasize all kinds of shape as well as major parts. Overall, using an isometric map can convey direction better. So this is our product in isometric view, which is top view, front view, side view, and 3D view. Material selection. Why is material selection important? Material selection ensures the integrity at design. In the selection process, material will be assessed for tensile strength and modulus, flexural strength and modulus, impact strength, compressive strength, fatigue, endurance, creep, and stress relaxation properties depending on the product. So based on this table, the material of piston is alloy steel, and the bearing is metal, and the others is 1060 alloy. Analysis product. Simulation is an easy to use portfolio of structural analysis tools that use finite element analysis, which is FEA, to predict the product real world physical behavior by virtual testing CAD models. In analysis section, we find von Mises stress, displacement, and deformation. For von Mises stress is a value used to determine if a given material will yield or fracture. It is mostly used for ductile material such as metal. The von Mises yield criterion states that if the von Mises stress of a material under load is equal or greater than the yield limit of the same material under simple tension, that material will yield. So this is two picture of this product. We choose piston and rocker arm. Displacement. Image result for what is displacement analysis solid work. However, in a situation where the forces may not be known, an expected displacement can be effectively be used as the load input to the analysis. This is known as a prescribed displacement and is available under the external loads drop down. Lastly, deformation. The deformation scales refer to the scale factor that the program used to scale that deformed shape of the model. The value of the scale factor depends on the model's largest dimension and the calculate deformation. So this is our deformation that we find. The conclusion of our project is two-stroke engines are more powerful. Two-stroke engines are a much simpler design, making them easier to fix. They do not have valves but rather parts. Second, engine manufacturing needs to be emphasized to produce a better quality engines. That's all for our team. Thank you so much.